this can be applied to anything in your life, whether business, school, trauma care, personal protection. Find, identify the problem and the target. Once you find it, you fix it. Do what you need to do to fix the problem. Number 3, finish. Finish or solve the problem. And the last one is follow through. Proceed to the next, which will make you improve or avoid further problems. Again, find, fix, finish, and follow through. Next, please. Alright, now we're from trauma care, now we're going to talk about this. If and when you need to do or to protect yourself, okay, what can you do? Or what do you have to remember? There are many of these principles I just want to share 2 of these things for you. This is the attack triangle. An attack will happen if all of these 3 components are present. The opportunity is there. The intent is there and the ability. Opportunity. May opportunity ako nakawin ng cellphone niya. Check. Okay, nakabit ko siya. Number 2, the intent. I want to steal the cellphone. Check. Number 2, am I capable, am I strong enough, am I fast enough to steal all of this that happens against me? I have the opportunity. If I want to get this cellphone, pero siya, ang galing na mawag sa cellphone, sabi ba, then I don't have the ability. So, eliminate on the ability to attack. Stages of conflict, always increase. Pre-conflict, before it happens, in conflict, during, post-conflict, after. Self-defense training, I don't like self-defense so much because self-defense connotes that something already has happened to you and you do something against it, correct? What do I do if somebody punches me? What do I do if somebody stabs me, for example? That's already in conflict. Ang hirap na yan. What we need to train is pre-conflict. How can I prevent all of this from happening? How do I de-escalate? Paano ko sa pakalang mo? How can I use my body to make sure hindi naakyat yung aggression sa akin? And the thing that people don't really train is conflict. After somebody got stabbed, what do you do? After somebody got robbed, what do you do? So, the in-conflict, which is 1% of our reality, nobody gets attacked every day, unless you really live in a bad place. The reality is you need to train the in-conflict, because this is what we do 90% of the time. 9% post-conflict, these are physical injuries. And move on. Okay, again, now, all of this lecturing, all of these things, how can we now put them together? What do you see in actuality? Get proper training. Proper training means training based on not just training, because you can train all you want, mali pala yung training mo. Okay? I've seen a lot of people training, applying the word, pero that's it. They were not training with the right mindset, with the right reality, with the right perception. Next slide. Quality training matters. I will expound on this later. Next slide. You will see a lot of these demos like this, and people say, oh, self-defense, somebody in a uniform doing all of these fancy things, which may not be appropriate in reality. since we're talking about edge weaponry, we'll work with weaponry here. Alright, this is a Valentine, right? So, alright. You must train with knife work. Traditional martial arts famous for sniper. Alright? You will see people training like this, or feeding like this. They're feeding me going supposed to my neck, but it's so wide. No, but you don't need to go fast. Let's apply the concept of training. We find the problem. What is the problem? The problem is there is a big level of movement over your neck. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to need your help on this. I grab this interactivity rather than just the block. The blade is coming to my neck. That's my problem. I find it. How do I fix it? Paano ko sa ayusin? Paano ko sa sir, anong gagawin? Anong ko dapat? Para yung tumakas. So I can make this nice now. Perfect. I increase my distance. I can even increase the distance. That's it. Spatial avoidance. What else? Anong suggestion ko? Paano sa hiwan ko na yun na yan. Create distance. Ano ba? Yes, that's the best exercise. I cannot know what can we do. Come on, make me survive. Snap it. What do I need to do? Para yung pang-sakit. Yes, na, yan. Put something in between. Put something in between. Either my left hand, my right, and hindi pwede yung left. If I just lift it, wala yan. Tutuloy. So I need to put force. I enter. It's more of just waiting for it to strike. Okay? But that's definitely not going to solve the problem. But sinanggap ko tayo ng next, pwedeng mag-cut. Pwede siyang break-up. Okay? So that's it. Those are the realities. Because people stop here. Oh, ganun po. Yes. So my response should be equal and I'm giving it equal. So my response should be equal or more than the speed. Okay?
Yes po. Purple head.
It doesn't matter what technique I do. My technique when I do grab and for this, not to let that. To distance. To make sure the use of
Anong tawag dito na finish? Sir, ano yan?
I have patience to survive when he's out. The body is stronger than you think, especially when having a mind that we want to survive and we want to defend. Okay? So again, simple. I didn't do anything fancy. He comes in, I step in. 0% force, 100%. Where do I want to be? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where do I want to be? Ito, in first generation. And I just do not wait for you here. Look at this. That's easy. Yung balance niya nandyan. If I step forward, I take his space. Kinukuha mo yung balance niya. And if I get his balance, Uy, pumunta ka siya. Wait lang. Take two days to realize that look, it doesn't matter. I told me now that I need to put something in between. It is not that it is the principle behind it. I'll put something in between here. Okay? Understand? I put something in between.
May laser ano?
I'll come from here.
Ito, mas mura.
I'll come from here. It's hard. Diba? Wala pinipili eh. Diba? Nobody up. Kanaka ako. I'm big senior citizen there. Even more, they will choose you. Because they know you're supposed to be an easy target. Then you start hitting him in the face. Then you start hitting him. Ay, mali pala. Diba? That's the reality. Okay? Thank you, Ethan. Next is, like any skill, practice ensures continuity. Skills are not permanent. If you stop doing something, for example, two dances here, ballroom, okay? If you stop doing ballroom for 1 month, when you go back to the dance floor, parang feeling ko, where's my groove? This something is work. For a while, you go back. You have to be learning. Any skill is perishable. So, constant training, whether it's combative, whether it's shooting, whether it's any life skill, must be done constantly to maintain any functional level. I'm not here to say, oh, you need to train every single life, every day of your life. No. Just enough to be functional.
Hindi na po ito dito natin.
Just enough to be functional. Next. Alright, I'm going down now to the end of my lecture.
Sinabihan ko rin naman siya, bago ako malis, sabi ko, bago tayo malis dito, kailangan may dala tayong ATV kahit isa.
Real world
Kaso hindi pa bumababa.
ensures that you are preparing for what is real. I am not an instructor that will give you all of these training that you will get for black belt or technique.
Magkano? Gold Cup trophy na.
Ito pa.
Ito yung live. Sabi ko naman, ito sa akin na 16. Hindi ko pa na-pay. Full size yun, pero naka-ano. Saan po dyan? Wala. Volt ano po yun, sir? Light? Volt?
Used in our actual only until August 5, 2024. We are giving away 8 prizes for the 30th
purchase certificates can join the raffle by filling out the back of the ticket and dropping it off by the entrance. Again, the raffle is on purpose tickets with purchase tickets. So do stay tuned for our giveaway later this afternoon.
Make sure you are being taught the correct ways. Research. They may be teaching you things that are outdated. But 20 years ago, that was the norm. Now it's different. Okay? And most especially for dentists. There were things we were doing 7 years ago that were already being incorrect ways. Okay? And look for instructors with verifiable credentials also track record and experience both in the field and the classroom. Find a good teacher and a good teacher. Alright? Next slide. Alright, so I think I can open the floor for some questions or clarifications by the credentials. And if not, any questions? Let's say. Good. Alright, so if you have any questions about the room, start with the group, experience the training, and whatever next. Yeah, we can welcome us to Jason Philippines. We are a training company which provides training in marksmanship, in competence, in product care, we also design items for other interests of you. Thank you again to PG for inviting us to the talk. Thank you again and next slide. That's it. That's the last video.
Yes, sir.
gadgets you can talk, your gun, your tactical gear.
Bumili ng ano ah.
Ng totoong baro na lang.
Okay.
Get the training, get the skills you need to use your tools. Your tools are just tools. You will fall back to your training. Your training is the bedrock of everything else. Good training plus good skills equals good outcome. Good training plus poor equipment equals okay outcome. Poor skills with good equipment will show you because you can. Skills are supposed to be our focus. To respond quickly and hindi lang quickly. Kaya yun, ang bilis mo respond. You know, respond quickly and correctly. If you do not know how to use it, it is of little value. Pero mga gamit, di ba naman pagalitin? Useless. Okay? Goes down to quality. Your skills enable decisive action and they stay with you wherever you go. I can be strict of all my gear, but I have very good skills in throwing air skills in there. If I am reliant on my goals, I am reliant on my expensive chest seal to save you. Okay. And last but not the least, number 3, next slide. Qualified instructors. There are a lot of instructors and so-called instructors who say, you train with me, I did this, I did that, I know this, I know that. But as students, you have to be smart students. Ask questions. Look at the background of the instructors. Just because, for example, just because I'm a doctor just means I know how to do it. For all you know, I'm a doctor of the face. And then I start to talk to you about amputations in the language. Right? Just because someone is able to do something doesn't mean I can teach it. I may be a very good surgeon, but I have no teaching skills. Then I cannot teach you. People think, magaling siyang atleta, magaling siyang basketballista, magaling siya sa judo, magaling din siyang teacher. It's a different way. People, teaching is a skill that is separate from skill. If you find a teacher with skill and actual background and is a good teacher, then right experience, correct credentials, and teaching